mid-high-rise bank here at Scotia Tower, 40 King Street West. Got to go behind the scenes of these elevators. A few months ago, let's go up to 53, B1. Nope, these are all done. They've all been completed. So, we're on the lower deck. So let's just wait. Here it is. There we go. And apparently these elevators go up to 1,600 feet per minute. Just like the high-rise bank. So here we go. Okay. People are getting up on the top deck probably. There we go. Here we go. And you can see there, that little thing. That's a camera. A little camera for when there, if you have an emergency. And security will talk to you and they can see what's going on. It's like video voice communication. They did not have that on the old cabs. And all the cabs on this bank, see, we're there already through the express zone. These are up to 1,600 feet a minute. Upper deck is being served. Just a few floors and we're to 53, call another elevator, and there we go, back down. This is car B1 lower deck. Mid-high rise. One floor up. Okay. Usually would say, oh, here we go. Say serving on their deck or something. Maybe it's, yeah, at least we got some floors passing by. Okay, maybe that might be it. Okay, let's get her going. There we go. These are the New York cabs. All of them have been done. They're on 53. Go out. James. And let's see if this. There we go. B3. Could be this one right here. This one has all been checked. All these cabs have been modernized. Last time there was one else still in progress. Now there's this bank. All done by Schindler. Just like the high-rise bank. Just have to wait. Oh, here it is. Lower deck. Here we go. I can't show the cab view because security cameras. So they can see you on every angle. Okay, there we go. Upper deck is ready. We're good to go. See if it speeds up. It's going. Took quite a few floors to go to full speed, which is 1,600 feet a minute. My ears are starting to pressure up, and there we are in an instant. See? Didn't take that long at all. Just like the high-rise bank. He's used to up to 1,200 feet a minute, and that is it. Nice. All the elevator cabs in this bank have been done. Good going. That's it.